Need a way to get your kids to eat their vegetables? These muffins are loaded with them. Disguised in a variety of textures and flavors. 1 cup of shredded zucchini, 1 cup of shredded carrots, and if you prefer, which we do, a half cup of each, chopped pecans and raisins. Bake in the preheated oven until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean, about 18 to 20 minutes. Be sure to cool the muffins in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring them to wire racks to cool completely. These muffins are going to be gobbled up, and rightly so. They're delicious served warm with a little butter and maybe a cup of tea.